Good morning to all. My name is Riya Chawla and I am from SDJN International College. I am pursuing FI BCom and my roll number is 124. So today I am here to discuss a topic which is difference between formal and informal email.
The first point of difference is purpose. In the formal email, the purpose is to send important and business messages, responses to queries, sales, and marketing proposals. Formal email can be solicited or unsolicited, while in informal email, the purpose is just to communicate or to message for having an informal meeting. They can be solicited, however, mostly they are unsolicited. The second point of difference is audience. In the formal email, identifying the audience is the most critical part of the email. The whole structure and the tone of email depend on the targeted audience. For instance, tone of email for assigning tasks to your staff is totally different than replying to complaint of a customer. The target audience is work colleagues and business clients. While in informal email, the target audience is usually friends or family. The third point of difference is subject line. In the formal email, subject line is like the headline of a newspaper. Subject should be giving a basic idea about the purpose of email. While in the informal email, no particular subject required for the informal email. However, if the email is for particular purpose, it is better to replicate such purpose in the subject. The fourth point of difference is style and accuracy. In the formal email, professionally formatted use of paragraphs, the accuracy in spelling, punctuation, and grammar is required. For example, thank you for your response. While in the informal email, free from any style, normally very small messages are sent through such emails. The grammar and punctuation does not matter a lot. For example, thanks for your email. The fifth point of difference is opening and closing. In the formal email, there is proper beginning and ending pattern. Example, dear sir, madam in the beginning and yours respectively in the ending. Messages start courteously and with a reference where it is applicable, closing with a courteous line and with signature of the sender. Contraction cannot be used, while in the informal email, as such, no pattern required. Opening informally with hey or hello, closing with first name or initials. Contraction can be used. So here in this slide, we can see the format and example of a formal email. And in this slide, we can see the format and example of informal email. Thank you.